What is up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this top bar in Framer that could be used for any kind of announcement. In this example, I'm going to use it for announcing a new course drop. And so let's get right into it. Going to put it here. I'm going to use pre-made navbar from Framer. Drag it on the top here. Call it navbar announcement. Navbar top bar. All right. And then we're going to click to access the component. What we're going to do right off the bat is giving the height 120 pixels. So we're going to make it bigger. And then we're going to wrap around this stack here. Already add stack. Then I'm going to change the fill. I'm going to change the distribution to space between. And then I'm going to add a small padding on the left, 12, and on the right, 12 here. Then now we can go and start designing the top bar. So click on F for frame and then draw the shape here. And after we click on the component desktop and we're just going to change the direction of the layout. Switch it to vertical. Perfect. Then this one, put it to fill. And then I'm going to add the layout. The layout is going to be centered. And we're going to give it like 35 pixels or so. And then you can change the color. I'm going to use this one here. And then click on T for text and type your text. This is, there's the holistic designer course just dropped. Click to access an early bird discount. All right. Holistic designer blog, shameless plug. You can check it in the description if you want to become a designer that sells $2,000 websites. All right, let's move on. Then you can make it bigger, like 40, for instance, and then that's it. That's your bar. You're good to go. Go back here. We have the bar. The last step will be to add. Click on stack, rename it top bar. And if you want to make it like, I don't know, change it for any different page, I'd say you can create a component out of it and then change the text by yourself directly. Then this is kind of messed up here. What we're gonna do is 120. And this one is, yeah, it's messed up because of the stack. So what we're gonna do is, oh, okay, got it. That will be like this. And I'm gonna just do it like this. Then this one is kinda messed up. Let me fix that. I'm gonna see what's the problem exactly. Opened. Why is it not working? Just fix that here. Fill. Oh my goodness. It's better to actually learn with mistakes. Being honest here. Fit content. Okay, this is actually took the entire shit. Give one sec here. Oh, it's because of this. Fit content. Alright, now we're talking. Yeah, this is actually a problem here. Space between. Put it back. And yeah, we're good to go. So this one, fill, change distribution. Just change it to fit content and then add 20 pixels here, paddings. Perhaps add it like this. Put it centered, a little bit smaller, 12. 12, okay. Now we can make it a smaller also here. Maybe 32, yeah, all right. Now it works perfectly. So the problem was mostly because of the distribution. You only have to change the direction and the height, put it to fit so that everything works perfectly. Now we have normally our top bar that is fully functional with the nav bar with the top bar. Then we have everything here as well. Oh yeah, last thing will be to add a link here so you can link it to your landing page for the announcement in particular. So that's it for this video. If you have any more questions, just drop them down in the description. I mean, in the comments, and I'll make sure to answer them with a video. See you next time.